YouTube? It's your boy Marco. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Marco, and I'm here. I'm back with another video. So today I'm supposed to be doing like a little manager like vlog slash like cooking thing, cause I asked y'all what y'all want me to cook on my story, and I seen pieces of like pasta, spaghetti, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna cook some chicken Alfredo, shrimp chicken Alfredo, something like that. But the thing is, I don't know how to cook. So hopefully my brother know how to cook. My brother coming up here, so we supposed to be doing, he doing a video with me. And if y'all ain't know, y'all see I got my braces color changed. This was a long ass day. So last night I had to help my girl do her hair. She got box braids, so y'all know, the girls know how long that shit take. Like it took like, she got here at 8, she left at like 6 and still wasn't finished. And I had a orthodontist appointment at 8:30 that morning. So I went to sleep for like an hour and 30 minutes, got up tired. And then I had to record this video. So, and the thing is, I'm cooking and I can't even eat, cause you know how you get your braces tight and you can't like eat nothing for like a couple days cause it's hurt. But I'm gonna try to eat these noodles real quick. And I'm gonna talk to y'all when my brother get up there. Wait, since we waiting, I might as well just show y'all, like, I'm finna eat my noodles till I wait. What y'all be putting in y'all noodles? Like, I be putting like butter stick and some Creole seasoning in mine. Like this shit. Shit, no promo, I'm just saying. But I be putting that up in there, and I got that from my girl Moody. And ever since she showed me how to do that, that's the only way I eat my noodles. And if I can't eat them like that, it's just nasty, be so bland, like sandpaper. And I just can't. I just can't eat it. But let me fix it for y'all, and y'all gonna see how it look like. It's gonna look like some Gordon Ramsay. So what y'all been doing? I'm talking like y'all really gonna reply back. But I really didn't expect y'all to really like watch that Q&A video that I had posted. That had shocked me a little bit. Even though it was like 100 and, I think it's like 130 some views. I didn't expect that many people to watch it. I low-key thought it was gonna be like 10 people or something, like my little brother and my cousins or something. But okay then. I see y'all effing with the kid a little bit. I have to go a little harder. And yes, this shit look like slime. I think I done cooked the noodles wrong. That's how you know I can't cook. But I'm happy that school over. And did y'all pass y'all classes? Cause I seen a lot of people be like posting like on TikTok and shit that like they got like F's and like crying and shit and stuff like that. So did y'all pass y'all classes? I know I failed one of my classes, but it's college. Like, I'm not finna like, I mean, yes, I want my career and I want to work hard for it, but yeah, minor setbacks for major comebacks. That's how you gotta put it. I like this girl. I always told my name was Angel. She was always like, either know it or you don't. So don't stress yourself out about it. Either you know it or you don't. That's what I do. That's what I say now. Shit, I'm blowing noodles into next year. I'm just trying to see where my brother is. Like, he taking all damn day, like the stove. But he coming. He gonna be like, bitch, you rushing me. Whoop de whoop. I could have gotten the red. I bet y'all like, what is he talking about? I'm just trying to make small talk and get like used to doing this, like just talking to myself like this, like in a room by myself. What else can we talk about? Oh, y'all heard about that gas shortage stuff? People like filling up gas with like, I mean, filling up bags, containers with gas. Like, that's crazy. Like up here, up in Shreveport, like they ain't been doing it. Like I ain't been seeing it. But do y'all realize, like, if it's gonna be a gas shortage, rushing to the gas station getting gas gonna make it like short, like faster. Like, that's why I feel like some stuff shouldn't touch social media, because people panic. Like, they just need to chill. Cause shit, I went to the gas tank and filled up my car. No line, no fighting, no complaining, no nothing, no high price. But I don't know though. That's just me. Anyway, besides all that, boy, look, her house still on my leg. Besides all that, other than my sins, I'ma really F with y'all when he get here for real though. Alright, so my brother just texted me, said that he up here, so I'm finna go to the door and go get him. Come on. That will make me sick. But we finna go to this, I ain't even got no pots. Bitch, that one ain't got no pots. I ain't got no pot to cook it in, so I gotta go buy all this shit. So we gotta go to Walmart.
We gotta go buy pots and shit.
Yes.
Chain rusted.
Bitch, that's why I don't use it. I'm not using it like this with donkey.
Alright, so it's your boy, Lil Nate, you heard. So be going to Walmart to get a fucking pot to cook this damn crawfish shit in Nah, we supposed to be cooking this shrimp and shit.
Then turn right.
Or whatever. I'm getting a little stuff. This nigga trying to get what, chicken? You know, chicken with
Chicken, shrimp, Alfredo.
got defrosted chicken and
Talk
shit.
to the people. Okay, so right there, bitch. We on our way to Walmart to go get the supplies to cook this dinner that I can't eat because I just got my teeth tightened up. So you get that shit if you want to. Oh, Lord. Messed up. Oh my God. It's like. So we gotta get. I don't even know where to start. Where I go? Get the pots first. Whatever pot you need to get first. The meat. Like the Alfredo shit. Alright. Shit. Why you ain't look this shit up last time? I don't know. You said you was like, you know how to do it. I'm like, oh shit. But that shit gotta be down this way. But that's the Alfredo and shrimp right here. This nigga act like he don't even know what he want, but why you ain't look this shit up? Bitch, I don't know, because I thought you fucking knew. Bitch, I ain't know. I know how to cook this shit though. Oh, fuck. Bitch, I'm knocking over fucking buildings and shit. So, I don't even know where to start. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm in a toilet paper. That's how you know I don't know what I'm doing. Can I get some assistance? I'm running to the damn buildings and shit. Y'all want me to cook chicken, shrimp, Alfredo, and I don't even know where to start. Like, I thought it had like a little prep meal thing. Bitch, put that back. Put that shit back. That fat ass try to grab some Takis. It's like I'm real life in distress. Like, I'm finna say, if finna just cook some spaghetti.
I do not know what. We need to ask somebody.
I am embarrassed. Anyway, so he found the noodles that we needed after hours of searching. It's like people, I swear it feel like a scavenger hunt trying to find all these recipes. See, this is why I don't cook now, because like, it's like you gotta find all this stuff and I don't got time for that. Y'all see he got a tattoo on his hand. Show him your tattoo. Clean work. It's like people like they never seen somebody record themselves. Let me put this mask up so people think I'm a Republican. You think we should get like this chicken right here? I'm talking about this chicken. One of these. Bitch fajita. Bitch, I ain't cussing. My mom gonna beat my ass. So anyway, we came out the stove. We got the supplies. You see I got my assistant in the back. I thought you were gonna run over my ankle, low-key. Damn, bitch, I look like a Pikachu. I am glowing over here. Tap me.
Get this shit together or whatever.
I put the water in first. Oh, it really don't matter. You want to cook these two at the same time? I put these in the skillet, right?
Right.
It's bad. She's pretty cool. She gonna be wrong.
Bitch, we supposed to season them hoes. Of course, that bitch is colossal. Alright, so we getting to this shit, you heard me? Because you know I'm chefing this shit. Yeah. I can get to this shit for real, for real.
It's just, I don't, yeah, I really
Back
don't
when,
even
like, I was in the pen and shit, we was cooking this shit all the time.
I really don't even think this the right chicken, y'all. I feel like I should have got 2 packs, though. I don't feel like 5 pieces of meat up in here.
If y'all cooking fajitas and shit, you get this right here. You know what I'm saying?
I really think I should saute. Saute.
That bitch ain't holding yet. Wow.
Look like toys.
This bitch sound like Lego. What the hell? That bitch so hard.
I can't even bite this bread right now. I feel like this shit gonna pop on me like Final Fantasy. I'm doing it. Like I'm drawing in the coloring book. Oh, yo. Woo! Cook this chicken.
Alright.
What they do if you do that shit? It's a video.
So she said pop dry, so we pop drying this right.
I mean, they be trying to hook up the shrimp and shit.
These damn shrink niggas a little.
I'm putting the shrimp. What you gotta be damn noodle shrimp? I'm putting the noodle.
Y'all see that big ass nigga body?
That's not a fried shrimp.
You know when I'm finished, I'm gonna get my stuff out.
You can get it now. We can
I gotta still. It's trying.
Hours later.
Bitch, wait till you put the chicken in there.
So Marcus gonna take a good bite of these bitches. They got done cooking the goddamn shrimp, chicken, Alfredo bullshit. So Marcus gonna die, man.
Honestly, I'm fucking scared.
Alright, so we both gonna do it right quick.
Hold on, wait, I gotta take my rubber bands off. Bitch, you can go on scared. It smells good, low key though. It tastes nasty. I really can't chew either because my teeth hurt a little bit.
I don't know if that's the noodle or the damn chicken.
This is the shrimp. It's like gummy. Like. This bitch finna have us sick off the shrimp. What it taste like? It tastes good.
It tastes like fucking
Shrimp. Like ocean water.
Oh, yeah.
It's not nasty.
So
You can't do it. It ain't worse than I thought it would be though.
fucking chicken. That been kind of good though. That been like somebody sneezed on that bitch.
I thought you flicked that chicken right. I thought that chicken from my fucking eye. The texture,
What the noodle taste like, man?
These are cardboard.
Be like a
Rope. So, we back up in the room. We went to Buffalo Wild Wings, but that shit, it wasn't survival, it was just to eat. So, we got Buffalo Wild Wings. If you stayed this long and you watched the video forward through, I really appreciate it because you really didn't have to. Got something to say to the
bad cheese on my leg.
mud.
But shit, yeah. Y'all boys tune into the video. Like, subscribe, and drop your numbers if you find. No, just playing.
This bitch trying to catch up. For real though, I really appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.